Okay, so I'm not sure if you can actually hear anything because I didn't bring my, or actually I'm not using my ear plugs and everything. But I promised to make a little live. So have a look at this wonderful, amazing miracle of the Great Pyramid. Okay, so there's one behind me. Okay, and here is the great one. Oh my gosh. So we are, for the moment, we're just like really turning around it, like many traditions do, like you turn around the temple. So we're turning around it and just really getting ready to go in. And hi Sylvia! Sylvia, can you actually hear me, or there's too much wind? Can you let me know, please? Because else I can go somewhere where there's less wind. This is not the one. You want to go in here? This is the only entrance? This is the only entrance? Sylvia, can you tell me if you can actually hear it? Yeah, can you tell me if you actually hear it? Yeah, okay, cool, yes. I'm just going to show you a little bit the energy here. Hi, Mommy! Mama! Okay, so basically they are huge. So why don't we do both? We don't have time for that, do we?
We don't have time.
Okay, so yeah, let's decide together. I'm here with beautiful sisters. Let's decide together which one we're going to go into.
We need the tickets also.
We need the tickets also, but that's not a problem. Hello.
By car, if someone.
Right. Let's. Which one shall we go into?
The gate is very close. So.
I have the feeling that one. But yeah, but I would like to make like a group decision. I would like it to make a group decision. What do you girls feel like? We're deciding what pyramid to go in because we only have time for one. You want to go in this one? No. I mean, you feel more this one? Okay. Okay, you? This one too? You?
I'm indifferent, honestly.
Yeah. You don't mind whatever pyramid? How about you, Rain?
If you want to go there, okay. I just feel...
No. I feel like we're a group, so we should decide together.
For me, I
Which
didn't
one?
go until now this one, so
And never in your life? You've never been in this one?
No, not in my life. Like I have been like 2 weeks. I was only in this area, so
Hi,
this area
Derek.
can be also.
Okay, so
I can
the big
enjoy
one.
You take the decision. You.
They're saying on my Facebook Live, they're like, go in the big one.
Both of me. Huh?
In the Facebook Live, they're like saying, go in the big one.
Let's go.
Are we going in the big one? Hannah says, oh my gosh. We're going in the big one? Yalla, okay, we're going in the big one. Yay! So what we're doing is we're tuning into this place like you would say, like a key to a lock. So it's an energetically very powerful place, but if you would just see it as a pile of rocks, let's say, then it won't work. It won't activate. It won't energetically do what it's supposed to do. So this is like, these pyramids are built as a activation place, like a ascension seat. You could call it like a collective ascension seat. And so when you enter it and you align yourself to it, so that means like you have to align you have to put yourself in your heart first, obviously, if not, nothing works. And then you connect to the earth, really deeply, to Gaia, Mother Earth, the living spirit of the earth. And then you connect to the sky, the sun, Father Sun, or all of creation. other than the earth. And then it's like a feeling, like you kind of like riding the waves of the ascension, like what we are going through now as a planet. So when you start to open yourself up, you open your body, you open your heart, you open your mind, then you're able to tune in your energy, like your frequency, at the same level actually as this place. Like you tune in, you become the same, like you become one with the pyramids as a being. So it's not like just a pile of stones, but it's alive, it's vibrant, it's energetic, it's beautiful actually. It's really incredibly powerful. Then what you do is like so that's why we're going in with 5 beautiful goddesses. Then we hold space for each other and you tune into it, like it becomes like a huge like type of broadcasting machine. So this is the one we're going in, yeah? I'm not sure if you can see it. It becomes like a huge broadcasting machine. So you're able to have more power in what you are going to put into the collective, or just basically channeling source as an energy, as something where you can, for example, ask something for the collective, like anything coming from your heart, obviously, because if it's just a mind thing, it will definitely, not work in that sense. So I was asked to go in for the human collective, and it has to do with timeline jumping as well. So instead of stopping certain realities and then kind of nourishing other realities, it's more a sense of this would be like involving my personal energy, and that just doesn't work. So, or it works, I mean, obviously, but it's not what I'm here for. So it's like you tune into that source energy, you become your channel, the pure source energy, and you kind of become this channel of like, what does the human collective wish? What does it need? What do we need as a human collective? What does the planet need? What does Gaia need? To raise our frequency more and to kind of make the shift that we're in the most gentle way possible, yeah? And so that's it. That's what we're doing. So there's much more to it that I can't really share because it's just energetically, like, I don't think it's a good idea to share, but so I'm really feeling very blessed to be here and to share this with you and to do this journey. And there was some other stuff I wanted to say, but I'm not sure. I don't feel it's not coming through right now. I think it's about the personal thing. So for sure, like the days coming up to this day, today, I felt like, oh my gosh, like I wanted to put so many things in, like, when it's like you're getting into the driver's seat of the planet, So I was like, oh my gosh, when I'm in the driver's seat of the planet, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that, I want the world to go in that direction, I wanted to do this and that, etc. So, of course, happily, I had an amazing meeting this morning with a group, one of the groups of my workshops, people from all over the world, like Australia, Canada, Mexico, like really amazing. And hi Noof. No, thank you. And we did an amazing meditation of really like being in the heart space, and so they really helped me to come back in this vibration of not needing to save the world, or not needing to change the world in that sense, but just allowing it to be what it is and allowing it to move where it needs to move, and just breathing and being in that sense. So I have to say, like, I'm definitely not there, but because I have a lot of preferences, but yeah, today I'm in a very kind of pure, happy, divine flow, just allowing everything to be what it wants to be and just following that flow. So very happy, and yeah, I hope you're getting some of the energies here, because it's really amazing.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Take one beside. Excuse me.
So yeah, I think we're going to be slowly getting into the pyramid itself. We were turning around, and now we are more focused on really entering, because it's only open for another hour. So and getting inside, it takes some time. It's really it's quite intense, actually. I don't know if you've ever done it. Sylvia, thank you, honey. Thank you so much for being. So the thing is, when you go in, it really, I don't know if you've been inside, but to kind of express the energy, it's like you feel this huge, massive weight around you and on top of you, and it's very impressive. And then the room we're going to be in, the King's Chamber, and especially that room, it's built in a certain way. I mean, there's so many different things you can say about it, but it's built in a certain way that that there is a specific frequency of light coming in. So the stones are built in a specific way, like that the frequency, you could call it a specific frequency of light, is the only one that comes in. So when you are in that space, it really is like a very, very, very high frequency. So your body basically just really changes. I've brought groups in the pyramids. I rented them a few years back, and brought groups in them, and we would tone and sing and do stuff like that in them. And one of my friends had like crystals there, like beautiful crystals, and they changed. Like the structure of the crystals changed. So basically, even your cellular structure of your body changes when you go in there, and so it helps you to raise your frequency really high. There's so much more to say about it, but again, I'm not sure if you can actually hear me very well, because the wind. But we're lucky, there's not so much wind today, so everything should be fine. No, thank you, shukran. Yay! Let me see if you can see a bit of Cairo in the back there. Okay, I think that's it. That's enough. Khalas. Thank you. I will take you all with us in the pyramids, and here it is. I think we're at the entrance.